Hello everyone, my webcam is not working so you cannot see me. Today we are going to talk about some introduction about SBL. The first thing I want to cover is changes to the structure of tasks in SBL since September 2023 onwards. Now of course it is not relevant to you about the old structure, but it is good to know that what are the changes. So you will be able to navigate the practice platform and also navigate your computer-based exam platform easier. So I will go through these documents just to show you. This document, you can actually get it from ACCA website. For those who join by class, I already shared with you hard copy or soft copy, right? So referring to this document issued by ACCA regarding the changes to the structure of tasks, right? The first important thing to take note is SBL is an integrated case study. This one has no changes. It means for SBL, the whole paper is talking about one case study only, right? One case study only, no matter how many tasks you have. But the one that the one which changed is that in previous old structure of SBL, you have not you do not have a fixed number of tasks. It means depending on the questions, some case study will have 3 tasks, some case study will have 4 tasks, some case study will have 5 tasks, and the breakdown of tasks are also not certain. So it's like you can have a mixture of different breakdowns of tasks, subtasks, I would say. But in this new structure of SBL, you will only have 3 tasks, right? It is fixed that you will have 3 tasks. So it means you have 3 questions so called. And these 3 questions is based on the one integrated case study that is given to you, right, in the exam. So these 3 tasks, in a way that it is arranged in one window for one task, right? One task in one window. Another task, you will need to click next to another window to be able to see task number 2. Then you have to click next to another window to see task number 3. So that's the reason it says it will no longer be possible to view all tasks together, because in your first page, you will only see task 1. So if you want to see task 2, you have to click next to see task 2. And then you have to click another time of next to see task 3. Right? However, the exhibits pre-seen information and also the response options are all available in all windows. It means even if you click to task 2, you will be able to see the exhibits and the pre-seen information exactly the same. But whatever that you have highlighted in task 1 window, when you click to task 2, you no longer be able to see the highlights. Right? You will see the documents, but the highlights you are not able to see. Right, this one you have to take note. The highlights that you have done in the previous window, when you click to the next window, you will not be able to see the highlights. Right? Okay, so it means for task 1, when you are trying to answer the questions, you have to choose the response option accordingly, which is the most appropriate to task 1. So when you click to task 2, then you have to choose the response option which is most appropriate to task 2. Right? So it means you cannot answer task 2 question in task 1 window. You have to click to next to go to task 2 to answer the task 2 questions in task 2 window. Right? So this one you have to take note. So next thing that we would like to take note, or this one I already mentioned as well. So you have to click next to go to task 2. Right? Exhibits, pre-seen, and response option are the same. This one also I mentioned already. Then you have to click another time next to go to task 3. Right? So that's it for these documents. Hope you have a better idea about the changes in structure, so it will help you to navigate through your practice platform and also your computer-based exam as well.